If there's one thing you do this week, you've got to try this recipe. This brown butter milk chocolate ganache is another level. The flavour, the texture, it's got the works. We start with this brown butter, so nice and easy. A little bit of butter, goes in a pan. And get that on a medium-low heat. It's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's melted, continue to cook it until you get this real nutty smell coming through. And don't be shy, okay? Really cook it to a nice deep golden colour. That's where all the flavour is. And you should end up with something that looks like this. Pour it into a glass and let it set to room temperature. It's nice, soft butter. Now for this cream, you can use honey or glucose. I'm going to use glucose and we pour over our cream. This is double or heavy cream. Put that on a medium heat, stirring it occasionally until it's gently simmering. When it is hot, we pour that over a jug of chopped milk chocolate. Let it sit for a couple of minutes, then just blend it until smooth. Time for the magic ingredient, the brown butter. So this is the one we made earlier. We're going to weigh it and then add it into our milk chocolate and blend. And you should see little flecks of that brown butter in there. Pour that into a small bowl. And finally, we stir through a good pinch of flaky sea salt. Do not skip this bit. Cover it directly on the surface and get it in the fridge to chill. When the cream has set, all we're going to do is use a hand whisk to whip it until we have a nice medium stiff peak. Once you've whipped it up, it's the perfect texture for a rocher, and you can pipe it. It's beautifully smooth, and the addition of that glucose just gives it a nice shine. That is wildly good. It is so well rounded. The depth of flavour from the brown butter is insane. Okay, you can pipe this into a macaron, pipe it on top of a brownie. Just don't over whip it. If you over whip it, disaster, right? Full recipes on my website, just click the link in my bio.